Hey now, this big bad boy needs some help. Reverb's not working. Till now. Real bright verb. Noisy too, and I'll show you what's going on there. It's just not placed well in the amp. So I'm going to pick it up. It gets worse when I put it back in the original position, but if you can hear that hum, I know it's always loud in here. Let me do this. Let me accentuate it. And now I'm going to move the tank out of the back of the amp, get it away from that power transformer. Once it calms down, take a listen to it. I think that plane got it too hot. Anyways, here's a move it around. There it is. There it is outside the amp, and the reverb's really hot right now. It's way louder than you'd ever have it. But I'm just see what that placement of that reverb means? It's got a lot to do with the amplifier. There we are back in the back of the amp again. But anyways, we got reverb. This is way accentuated on the noise. But that, does have reverb noise that could be fixed with better placement of that tank. And once again, this is another reverb that failed because of connections in the tank from just everyday wear and tear. So it's I like the idea of having a reverb pedal out front. Personally, that's about the best sound I can get out of this verb right there. It's nice. I'm going to turn that off. Listen how much quieter the amp is. And I'm going to kick my talisman out front. Oh, I don't have that cord plugged in. Let's go back into the effects and this cord into the amp. Okay, so now I've got the talisman going. Kind of going for about the same thing. And their amp is dead quiet. Let's go back to the amp verb. It's got a real high ringing to it. It could be dampened a little bit too there, Kev. Go back to the talisman out front. We can wet that up a little bit. Soften that up even more. Shorten everything up. About the tuned guitar, but you can see this thing can get in and go really wet on this. Same big wet thing, but without the noise. Part of the reason for that is that obviously you can hear that reverb circuit is adding gain. That second valve, it has nothing to do with the signal path until it comes out of the reverb. You can remove V2 and it's not doing a dang thing there. So, boy, it really does fatten it up though, don't it? Yeah. But we can give you a better placement with that tank. Anyways, there you go, brother.